In a vibrant meadow, a bumblebee is naturally drawn to the showiest flowers. A tall, bright tulip is an obvious candidate for attention. Meanwhile, the bluebells have a unique fragrance, but are overlooked based on their appearance. A sharp-eyed hawk questions the bee's evaluation. Have you considered that the obvious isn't always the most beneficial? Reflecting on this, the bumblebee ventures off its usual flight path and finds the bluebells have far more pollen to share than the tulips and bloom for longer. This surprising dividend encourages the bumblebee to view all the flowers afresh, realizing that being too quick to judge risks long-term value. Unconscious bias, a default position or a costly oversight?